Hello, people. Developing action RPG. And today's plan is first fix our characters, and then second optimize the dungeon loading. So let's start one by one. I will tell you later what we need to do exactly. So right now, let's see. This is it as our character template scene. Yeah, and this one, yeah, we need to re-import all of them. Last stream I said that, okay, we'll close this first, that when we import GLTF, we don't need to rename it, but actually we need. Then we will rename, and the name actually doesn't matter. Just leave default Godot general skeleton and re-import. And of course this will break like everything like this. Yeah. That's because we need to re-import all the animations with the same settings. And also template character. Yeah. This. No. Yeah. Because we didn't rename it first. So after re-import, we will also temporarily break it. But this is kind of needed because actually it's better to rename the skeleton. In this way we can just use like different 3D models with different like, and the skeleton actually can be named differently. So for example, in Blender, Mixamo, Unreal, they by default they all use like different names. So if we import from these apps and we want to use like all of them together uniformly, we just better to rename. And also the animation library we have here, and we also rename it and re-import all animations. Yeah, so right now probably it should all work again. Yeah, this template character is working. And let's see the warrior draw. Yes, also working. So right now is everything is working. And we also need to re-import our other characters. Let's start this. Oh no, this one is correct one. That's good, right? Yeah, it's working. Okay, this one is okay. Let's see the mage. Also okay. Yeah, it's working. Okay, let's see the knight. Okay, this RSS probably need change to left foot and right foot. Let's try with this and re-import. Okay, and see. Yeah, actually yes, it worked. Actually, this one still have some issues if we zoom in close. Like for example, okay, we can focus on this one. As you can see, like the chest area is kind of concaved, like shrinked inside. It should be like convex area, and like some finger is pointing outward, which is not right. But this issue need to fix in Blender. In Godot, probably can with some scripting, but it's really better just fixed in Blender. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it seems the character is done. One of the two bullet points for the plan is done. So fast. We can test in the game actual also. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it. Oh, we need to fix the. Yeah, actually, we need to fix the bone attachment. Bone attachment here is. Oh, yeah. So what's the warning? Yeah. Because we renamed the skeleton, so we also need to change here. Yes, left and general skeleton. Okay, yeah, right hand. Yeah, left hand and right hand. That seems right. And why there's a rotation? The rotation seems not right. Okay, we don't need any rotation. And why there is also scale? We just leave the rotation as 0 and scale as 1. That's the best. Yeah, left hand, right hand. Okay, this one is should be okay now. Yes, they don't have any warning. Okay, let's see their warrior thing. Also, we need to change to here. And this one also to here. And probably that's it. Okay, rotation. What? Sorry. No, this one is maybe 0 is okay. Okay, let's try. Now it should. Yeah, okay. Now it's working. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now the character is done. So then we need to optimize the dungeon. And what's wrong with the dungeon? Let's see. Let's see our dungeon now. Where is it? Where is the sync for the dungeon? It should be in maps. Maps, yeah, maps. Okay, so so what's the issue? You see, this is the one file which is loaded by the dungeon script. But the thing is, in the whole dungeon, we only use like this one, this one, two, one of this. I don't remember. It seems this or this. One of them is like three, and what else? Oh yeah, some like this corner, this one. Oh no, actually don't use yet, but we'll use. So right now it's three, and also this, as you can see. So we can see it. We can confirm this in a script. No, not this one. This one is just placeholder. This one, yeah. Let's see in a script. And okay, we make it a little bit bigger, like this. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, also small one. 4. 4 plus 4, 8. And that's, no, this is the same as this. So it's still 8. And this one also 1, 2. No, just 1. 8, 9. No, actually, this is the same. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, only 3. The whole dungeon is only 3. And we're loading like, how many? Like 50. So process load very slow. Second is like waste a lot of GPU memory. So, so we need to, change all of this. We need to do the same as with props. For each prop, we should have different thing. Let's see here. Not here. Where is it? Where's our props? Where's the props? I lost props. Meshes. Oh yeah. So for each prop we have different thing, and we should do the same for the dungeon tiles. Well, it's like modular kit, really, not tiles. Tiles would be if it's like each one would be like room, but we're making a room out of different tiles. So we should also make lots of scenes like this, and just load what we need. And then it will run, it will load and run both faster. Yeah, well, actually, I think on my computer probably will be no difference with 4090, but like for many other, for most computers out there will be a big difference probably. Yeah, it's like most popular I think right now is 3070 or 3060, I don't remember, but one of them. And also many people have even older GPUs, so we should always consider this and make game for as many like people as possible. Okay, enough talking. Let's start to actually do it. And this is not that hard actually. So what we need to do? Let's see. Actually, in the game engine right now we can minimize it. And what we need is do it in Blender. Let's see. This is Blender. Okay, sorry, just wait me one sec. One sec. Okay, I'm back. Seems microphone is in my face. Maybe like this. Okay, let's try like this. Okay, let's try. Okay, and then what? So we need to open our dungeon kit bash. Actually, I don't remember which one. Oh yes, it's this one. So this one probably don't need, or this one. I don't remember which one. There's so many. Okay, the demo files probably should put in a folder demo. Then it will be easier to do, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it now. Okay, demo. Okay. So the demo is all the pictures. Will go there at least, and some of the maps. Okay, this one is. Let's see. Mm. Okay, this is just for test. We can. Oh, we did successful test now, so we don't need this anymore. Okay, and then there's 3 dungeons also as demo. There's props, and this one is also other. This props we don't need anymore. Let's see, this props is actually all of them is already in this file. Let me see. Yeah, like the bed, yes, and the table, yes, and some chest. Yeah, it's all there already. So we can safely also delete it. This one. This one is delete. Okay, this one is different props. This props. Okay, let's see. Okay, this props lost some materials. Yeah. Okay, so I can show you how to quickly fix the materials if they are lost in Blender. Probably you all experienced this at some point. So before it was all have materials, so we can just let me wait a second. Yeah, I just confirmed that I have all the files. We can just in external data we can just click here, find the missing file, and open the library where the missing files should be, and just click find. And it should, if the name matches, it should find. Yeah, yeah. See, Okay, everything is have the materials now. Materials, textures, like everything is good. What I did before. So this function like file, external data, find missing files. You can also use a report missing files if you like if you're not sure if there's anything missing. See right now no missing files. Okay, we can save it. So this is like some gems will drop from the monsters or something. And then like you can soak it into some weapons to make them more powerful. Like like pretty like standard RPG thing. Also will be used in the game later. Okay, but this is for later. Here right now. Okay, let's see what this. This is what. Hmm. Okay, this is like old version. Or not old. No, it's not even old. There's some missing props. Disappeared. And why is that? Half of the props is gone. And why is that? Hmm. And that's so strange. Okay, don't save. Okay, wait a second. Let me see this. And here should have all the props. Yes. But that file is like half missing. Which is so strange. Yes, like don't have all this, like this a lot of missing props. Anyway, so we don't need this one then. Yes. Okay, so what we need to do to export them one by one? We can first what we can do is just select one. Wait, let me find it here. Where is it? Yes, so what we can do is like select one, file export GLTF, and some like export like level. Okay, the level props like, and we can export one by one, but this will be too slow, so we can automate it and just do ask Blender to select one and export, and select next, export, and all this automatically. And for this we need some scripting, which we already done last time, or like one of the previous times. So the script is here. Mm. Yeah, that's the script. It's already all done. We can just rename it to really like maybe props, no, object import export IE. No, IE, I don't like the name. And imp also. Yeah, now we're stuck with the hardest problem in programming is naming scenes. Objects ex object import export. Okay, object import export. Okay, and then better also as like this, and we can save it as a external file. Maybe just here, yes. Save as. So we save this as external file. So the file is saved here. Then we can open it here. Scripting. Check is another file which will check some props if they contain like match collision data. But we can also open another this one. Yes. So right now it's two files. So right now we just need to run export props. But this one, if we run it as is, it will probably fail. Let's see, for collection in collections. Okay, so for every collection, yeah, but we don't need every collection. That's the thing. And also, every collection will contain other collection, right? Yeah. And there is some empty for what? Wall. Called wall. Why there is empty called wall? That's very interesting. Okay, so anyway, let's see for every collection. Okay, let's see what the collection is. Collections. 53 collections. And we can, there is a like trick to see them all is like this. So this is all the collections. Okay, so the problem is Some rocks actually is should it be exported as collection or not? Hmm. Yeah, probably not. Yeah. Anyway, so for every collection, we will check objects and only export objects without the parent. Yeah, which is right. Which is should be like this. Yeah. So okay. Yeah, probably it will work, but we need some a little bit adjustments. First, we need to remove all empty, right? Because empty will be considered as a parent object, right? We can check here and how to check. Okay, we can select this. So we can check we we can check if the active object has a parent. Yeah. C dot object parent and the type. Yeah. So the empty will be considered as a parent, and then for this we have to delete all the empties, which is anyway is okay, I guess. We don't need, right? Yeah, probably yes. We can just delete it. So then for this we can just unhide everything with Alt H, and we select six empties here. And what's this? Oh, this is just some helper object we don't need. So six empties. We can. Let's see. What's the. They're all empty. Yeah. Yeah, so we can just. If we delete them. Yeah, nothing bad happens. Okay, and now we just run the script and hope it's okay. Yeah, okay. Everything can go wrong also. Yeah, so it's a bit uncertain if it's okay or not. And we need to prepare also the export directory. So export will be exported here. Okay, this one we don't need. And then all the dungeons, which we also don't need, because we can always export again. And this one also. Okay, just empty. Empty folder is okay. Okay, let's try. Control C, Control V. Okay, I just copy it for backup. It's only 12.3 megabyte. Okay, and then now we just try to export. Okay, and let's see what's going on. Yeah, there is some objects start to appear. Okay, let's just wait when it will finish. I'm thinking about like put all these scripts in GitHub and also like export from Unreal to Godot. No, not Godot. Export from Unreal to GLTF with Python script, and it's available in like vanilla Unreal Engine without any play. No need to enable plugin, but don't need to enable any third-party plugin or install any third-party plugin. Just standard functionality, which is great. We can export to GLTF and then import in Blender or Godot or like anywhere. Probably this will be a good idea. Wait me a little bit. Okay, we exported all. Yeah, seems it went very well. Okay, let's see what the texture says. 1.6G. All textures right now is 4K. If we use 2K or 1K, size can be much smaller. But right now I kind of want to keep 4K because it looks more sharp, like especially when it's close. And later, let's see, maybe we can still, maybe we can add displacement texture or bump map. And with 2K, maybe it will also look good. Or anyway, keep 4K and just give the option for the player to choose 2K or 1K. And just use the MIP map from OpenGL. It can automatically like generate lower. Oh, wait a second. But it will load anyway. No, then it's not, cannot do like this. But we can write script to automatically like scale down the textures. Anyway, it's possible to do. Okay, so later I will consider this option and probably probably have to implement it. I will see the GPU VRAM usage. Okay, let's see. So then just put in static meshes. Static meshes. Okay, so right now static meshes are empty. Okay, let's create a new folder. Maybe let's say like dungeon. Yeah, oh, modular dungeon, right? Okay, let's just keep this modular dungeon and just copy all files here. Copy here. Okay, and let Godot import. And we probably need to delete the old grid map first. And we need to test if it will work. And for this I will now we use git, so it's possible to revert back because there is some code change probably which will break first and then need to fix. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I need to break. I need to make a break, short break for a few minutes soon. Okay, yeah, a bit later. Okay. It's because actually the grid map is not used. I think I think this mesh grid map is actually not used, and it's even doesn't have any grid map assigned. But I'm still kind of a bit worried to break it. Yeah, let's see. Mesh grid map. Yeah, it's like okay, grid map is grid map. No, it's like use placeholder. It's not a real grid map. Yes, right? Yes. And this one is not used. But use this thing. Use this one. Just use meshes directory. Yeah. Okay. And the Git plugin somehow here is broken. And what's wrong? I'm not sure. But anyway, let's just open it in a terminal. Open in terminal. Okay. And use Git from the terminal. Now this right. Okay, let's check the okay, here's like some wall support files. Seems to need to rename. Let's see. The wall support is what this? Wall support, yeah. Wall support. No, this is don't have any space. Space in the name don't have, but here have, which is strange because it's like shouldn't be. We can use Control F2. No. Anyway, this is a bit strange. Why it added some space? I didn't add any space here. But anyway, it doesn't matter right now. And what we can do actually we can okay, let's add some. Let's commit this. Okay, so this is also all modified. Okay, let's add all this. We can add characters folder. Okay, we can commit. Let's say fix characters. Fix characters. What? Uh, Skeleton name. Okay, and then add all this. So all this will be just a new dungeon. Okay. Git status git dungeon static meshes. Okay, let's see. We first test if the game's still working. Yes, it's working. Now what we can what we can do is, okay, let's mesh grid map. Let's search here. Yeah, so it seems we really don't use it. Okay, let's delete it. And then we can see if we can still play the game. Yeah. Okay, another thing is, like, every time I lose focus, the Godot will re-import some asset. This means that some dungeon mesh is imported with error. So we need to check what's wrong here. They'll be, yeah, like this. Mod stairs and the ref light sun. Ref light. What's wrong with this? Oh, this is okay. Oh, how about this? Why it's cannot? Okay, this one we can just safely delete because we don't need this. And the mod stairs. Mod stairs. What is mod stairs? Stairs is actually maybe this, right? Let's see. No, this is inner wall. Oh, okay. Mod stairs is actually this. Let's see what's this. Oh, is this one? Okay, wait me a second. Okay, and okay, and this is dungeon tiles. Here is something is. Let's see what's this. It's the mesh library. Yeah, with this fall. Okay, and then this is a dungeon. So actually, we also don't need this then, because we will not use this, and also we will not use this. Yes, we will load one by one and not like this. Okay, so the thing what we need to do is to delete all this. So then we just delete this, delete. And then okay, it's used by this. Okay, we can first delete this. And then we can delete. No, and also delete this. And also this 4K textures with the need also. We remove. And now, okay, this one is open without error, is right. But then when we load the dungeon, it will crash. Okay, because don't have this file. And instead of this file, we need to load static meshes. Right, yes. So we can just delete all this. It's not used anymore. Yeah, and then we just okay, so all tile meshes we also don't have this anymore. We delete this, and then we have all the errors which are not loaded, and we can just fix them one by one. So the stone slabs 4x4 we should have here also. So this is floor. Okay, so floor should be in floor, right, or not? No, actually I don't have. So it's like stone slabs. Let's see, stone slabs. Okay, so this is probably this one. Stone slabs. Stone tiles. 4x4. Let's see. This. Oh yeah. Hmm. It looks better in the importer than in the game. Probably because of the environment. And it's already have the static body and collision shape, so it should probably just work. And what we need to do is what? Okay, probably we need to load all here. Load all meshes here first. So for example, floor mesh. Okay, it's load this. All this and then instantiate, right? And by this I'm not exactly sure if it's like this or not. And I would duplicate. So what we need is floor mesh like this. Okay, and the ceiling also the same. Okay, I'm not sure about exactly how it's done. So right now, hmm, right now we'll just. Okay, I kind of don't want to, fix all. I just want to test one, and once I know the way, I will fix the rest. And for this, we need to. Okay, let's see Git first. Hmm. Okay, let's add some commits. Git rm. Okay, let's see what's changed here. Is some some textures. Okay, and then what we need to do? Okay, let's commit. Git commit, and then look, replacing like this, and then okay, now we can break all the code which will not work. Okay, so the all the door. Okay, we can just remove it. The wall. The wall also. All walls remove, and all this also. Okay, now it's okay. And then we don't need to run all these functions also. All this, yeah, this we just also remove. Okay, so we only place the floor. Okay, and then let's test. Okay, it didn't place floor because what? What? Okay, let's see again. Okay, we can pause and check. So check the level. What's wrong? And the level contains just one, only one. Only one mesh. And probably okay, and then probably because we need to duplicate it. The instantiate is what? Wait, the load is returns a resource, and resource can instantiate. So this is node 3D, right? This is node 3D, and actually we can use like var, for example, meshes dir as a string equals something like this. So we can use like meshes directory plus just file name. And here is floor. We need to floor mesh duplicate. All right. Probably need to duplicate every mesh. Let's try. Oh yes. Okay, so let's see it in a debugger. Let's see our level. Yes. So our level right now has many nodes which can contain meshes which contain the static body. And somehow it works. Yeah. Which is strange. Because it doesn't have collision shape. But from GLTF it seems working. Okay. Okay, so the only issue is to need to duplicate. Yeah, so the level generated like this. It's very interesting. Yeah. Okay, and another thing, I find the music file. Let's see the ambient music. The import setting. Loop. Should loop, but it didn't loop. So strange. Just now it just stopped. So something wrong with here, or let's autoplay music. Okay. Well, we'll check this later. Right now it's not important. And now let's fix our dungeon. At least to the previous playable state. Okay, so let's next one is wall mesh, which is also node 3D. Yeah, but the file name is different. Yeah. And let's say door. Well, it's not door. Is let's say arch. And that's all, right? That's all what we need. And we just need to duplicate. So the ceiling is used same as floor currently. Okay, let's just say ceiling mesh is equal to floor mesh. And we need to change to node 3D because the GLTF files they imported as like root will be node 3D. It will not be mesh. So then for this one we also need mesh duplicate. Okay, so this should add this ceiling to our dungeon. Something is wrong. Okay, oh. Okay, let's remove it now because we need to test. Okay, something else. So we need to check exactly. So right now, it's not the ceiling cell. It's the ceiling cell and then some children. And right now we can ignore it. But later we must fix this. So let's say like fix me. Because we need to set collision layers properly. Okay. Yeah, so right now it's working. Oh, yeah. Okay, so the next one is wall. all this. We can uncomment, and this is door mesh. Call it door mesh, which is arch. Okay, let's load it. But should be small brick wall doorway, 3 by 4. Let's find it. Okay, it's this one. We can copy path and paste here. Okay, it's like this. So this is arch mesh. So every door mesh is just arch mesh. Okay, let's try. Okay, yeah. That's also working. Now the wall time. And the wall is small brick wall. Small brick wall. 4 by 4. It's this one. So we just replace all this. And it should, hopefully it will work. Let's see. Oh, yes, it's working, and yeah, collision is okay. So the next thing is place the props and monsters. And at this point, it will probably all just work. We can just uncomment all of this and try by luck. Yeah, so it's working. And we need to also check the monsters. If the monsters is, yeah, monsters also spawned. So, yeah, it's okay. Okay. So right now is everything seems working fine, but it will work much faster and use less memory. So, which is great. So we can commit this. So it's like load dungeon meshes from separate files. Okay. So I guess for today is enough. We can just stop here right now. And the next time, let's see what to do next time. Next time, probably we can continue improving the character. There is still a lot of things need to do. But yeah, I probably will add some more animations. Or something like that. I'm not sure. Maybe also maybe some inventory we can try or something like that. Okay, let's see the next time. So thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time. Bye bye.